So friends, in this video I'll be sharing a command called HTV, that is mass verification of transactions. So verifying officer need not verify each entry details separately. He can do it with the mass verification. This has been done just to simplify his workload or procedure in the system, right? By invoking menu options HTV by entering the same in the menu shortcut field and clicking on go, system will display transactions, postings and verifications criteria screen here. So FinCore is the solution, right? So you can see here right hand side HTV here, Sol ID is appearing here, all entries of cash. You can choose from here all or cash or transfer, whatever entries are to be mass verified here. Transaction amount, you can choose the amount here below this. Suppose the verifying officer's passing powers are up to 25,000, so he can write 25,000 entries, cash entries up to 25,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh, whatever the passing powers of the verifying officer is, right? So now you can see here at the below of your screen here it says unposted, posted only, both, right? So it will be reflected here, debit only, credit only, both. We have to choose both here. Processing mode manual, so this has to be done here. Manual default selected here, right? So it has to be done manually so that each entry's details can be verified. HTV is a menu option I'm sharing for verifying officers, so they can mass verify while they are verifying the various entries, because certain branches uploading the transactions is so high, it is very takes long to verify each and every entry separately, right? This is again a shortcut but a detailed one which can be done as detailed as it is being done separately here. So clicking on go, you can see here all the entries which have to be verified are appearing here. It can be more than one page, it can be more than 2 pages, right? So here you can see here if it is more than 2, you can go to the next arrow here. So all these entries you can see here: transaction date 6th of October 2015, account ID, status, they all are in posted status, right? Where the check number was there, instrument is there. Let's say I think it must be some cash withdrawal here, right? Transaction type cash, cash here. So this is all cash entries below 25,000 are appearing here. You can scroll down here, and if you want to see the details, you can left hand side, you can see this detail icon. As soon as you'll click here, to whatever two entries have been made, or whatever cash entries have been made, or whatever transfer two entries have been made as for double entry system, you can view both the details. The screen will appear as if you are in the verifying mode here. So verifying officer can choose all the entries. That depends on his acumen and accuracy and trust that he has on the maker that they have entered the right amount, or he can view details and check these boxes accordingly. Suppose he has seen these 4 entries only, so he can check these 4 boxes only. They'll be verified, rest will be verified later on running the same menu option HTV. So this all the details can be seen here, whether account number is right, amount is right, the name and account number tallies with the deposit slip. This has to be seen by the verifier. So this is detailed, also shortcut, but detailed. There's no compromise on the security or the checker concept here. It is just another way of doing it in a faster way here. So user has to select the transactions by clicking on the selection check boxes. Click on submit. At one go, all the entries have been verified. So there are branches, the volume of transactions is huge. So that is again the acumen and the intelligence of the verifying officer, whether he trusts that that maker must not have made any mistakes. So again, this is just an option given by the Finacle. So he can check as many boxes as he likes or uncheck boxes as many as he likes and verify accordingly and run the STV menu again and same system will appear. I hope this was a very useful video for all the verifying officers. Those who are maker now will become checker tomorrow. So this session, please keep on noting it down while I'm speaking. That's why I'm going very slow with the slide, with the screenshots, with my speaking so that you can note it down. You can see the videos again and again and you can enhance your knowledge and save your job and save yourself as well, right? So this is all. Any query you can ping me on my website. I'll be glad to offer any assistance. Thank you so much.